Hey guys, so today I'm just going to be making this cute little cookie squishy while my friend's gone. She's here, hopefully she'll come. Her name's Johanna and yeah, she'll be back soon, yay! She accidentally deleted the other video that we're about to post. But yeah, let's begin. So yeah, here, so far it's like that. And let's just hang on. What's something entertaining for you here? You can look outside while I'm doing this. You like it outside. It's nice. Sorry, I had nowhere else to stand this. Wait, actually, I might be able to stand it somewhere else. Sorry about that, guys. Not Caden. Whoever you are. One of the twins. You guys see this? Let's see. There we go. Now you can see. So I'm just colouring some chocolate chips here. If you can see. Please go away, girls. Like, yeah. This is really cool. I'm probably going to do the outro with my friend Johanna. If she comes back in time, hopefully this doesn't go flat or turn off or something. Like that. So yeah, it's really cool. I'm just making some cookies. I have one cookie, actually. Yeah, so cute. I'm going to write my signature. I'm just making my signature up right now. Wait, no, I'm definitely not making it up right now. Oh, wait, I better use this. Okay. I'm doing an O. Zoe. Go away! Oh, I thought it was Caden. Sorry. It is just Johanna. It's just little Miss Johanny. Here's my signature. Yeah, so yeah, it's really cool. So I got my cookie and then got my little signature that I just made up today. It just says Zoe.
Impressive.
Yeah. And yeah, now we're going to do the outro with my friend Johanna.
First we have to show these. These are our other.
Oh yeah, our other squishies. It's a cute little panda bun we tried. Johanna did it. Yeah. And she did this one, which is awesome. Okay.
It smells.
Hang on, no, stop. They can't right now. Smell it. Smells really good. Okay, now this one.
Very ugly bread.
Cute. It's a bread.
And we're going to do more later this afternoon. But we're going to do a painting kit, which will be our next video, probably.
Yeah. Okay, so now let's do the outro. Okay, so bye guys. Please
see you in the next video.
Yeah, see you in the next video. And please hit that subscribe button and
and comment.
Like, comment. Do you like craft or not? And so don't forget to help. What? Hang on. Don't forget to hit that bell button to get the notifications. So you never miss any video. Try and post a bit more. So yeah, bye. Ah! Do it again.
Okay, ready?